I am going to convert trash into a treasure. For doing this, we need some waste papers, glue, scissors, a stick and water to make its shape. Using the paper, now we want with the stick we want to roll it. Now we want to stick it. Like this, we want to make more like this. I have done about 20 to 30 sticks like that. Now the measurement which we want, we can cut it. I am taking the measurement like this. In this same measurement, we want to cut all of these. I am all at the measurement which I took. After cutting these things, we want to stick it in this for its mold. I am using a A4 sheet down so that it will be sticking easily. Now I have completed the circle. Now we want to make it dry for 4 to 5 minutes. Now it is dried well. I am going to make a base for that. Now we can mark that. Marking that, we can cut it. I have cutted this. Also I have done a open and close jar like structure and it's tin by making the rolls from this newspaper strips. Now we can stick that. I'm sticking it with glue gun so it will be very strong. For the upper part, I am going to stick like this so that it is handy to hold. I am making it like this so that it will be looking like a real jar. After this we are going to cut this in the same line and we can close it. Now I have cutted the base evenly and also I have made a cap for that. We can open and close whenever we need. Okay. We can paint for this if we need, but I am not going to paint because it is looking very old and natural. We learned that we can convert a thrush into a treasure. That means I have converted a newspaper into a beautiful stand.
Today do a decoration. First we need ice cream sticks, glue, necklace designs and a cap. First we should keep the square like ice cream sticks, and then we should keep the cross ice cream sticks, and then we should keep the necklace designs, and then we should take the glue and apply on the four sides, and then we should keep the cap. The one glue we were doing, ma'am. First for that we need to give 5 or 2 minutes gap to dry, ma'am. So that this is the experiment, ma'am.
Today I am going to do a useful thing with waste materials. Today I am going to do table tennis bat. Materials required: few package cardboards and old notebook covers, a hot glue gun, sandpaper, insulation tape and broomstick sticks. Step 1. We should cut two package cardboards in the size of table tennis bat. 2. We should cut bamboo sticks and stick it over the weak parts. Step 3. We can heat the hot glue gun and stick these two cardboards. The hot glue gun is ready. And apply the gun over here.
போட்டுருக்குங்க.
And now we can leave it for a few minutes. Step 4. Now we can stick this on any side of the bat. Now I am sticking on this side. You can another time we can do the hot glue gun. Now we can stick this. Step 5, for grip, we can use sellotape and round it over the handle. And if we have excess pieces over here, we can rub it with sandpaper. This is my final product. We have a table tennis bat.